Hello, as promised, when I got my add-on bundle, card bundle, I would do another video, and here's the cards. So you get 24 cards in the Paper Pumpkin add-on. You have to be a subscriber to Paper Pumpkin monthly, quarterly, every 6 months or yearly. But you have to be a subscriber to be able to purchase this. It's 24 cards, and you get 12 of each design. So you get 12 of these ones and 12 of these ones, and they're note card size. And then you get 24 envelopes. All the envelopes are the same, lovely, thick, nice envelopes. And cards too. The cards are quite nice. And so I'm going to make these 2 cards for you. Hopefully too quickly. I'm not going to hopefully take too long on it. But this is the first time that they've done the Gift of Fall add-on bundle. So like I said, it's 24 cards. So some people don't like projects like bags or things that hold candy. Like next month is going to be something that would hold trick-or-treat candy type thing. Bon Appetit is the name of the fall kit, like that one there for the Halloween. So I'm presuming it's, yeah, treat boxes. So next month will be projects as well. So this month they came out with the cards. So this is the cards, and it was $10 in US dollars for the 24 cards. And the number for that, the item number is 152885, and it's available August 1st through while supplies last. So if you like these cards, and for $10, I think they're amazing, and you can use them for so many other different things. So these are what we're going to make. I'm going to stick this aside right now, and I'll put my cards up here. All right, I'll put them there, so I can kind of see them to look at. All right, I don't need the envelopes. And we'll work on this one first. All right. So I took from the Paper Pumpkin the banners, these banners, and cut them in half. And then I cut little strips off for this one card. So what we're going to do is we're just going to glue like so on here, and let me start doing that. And I'm going to use, oh, that's my next card, okay, just liquid glue. Let me open my glue. And let's stick that up here on the white. There we go. Cover up that white, and then I'll stick this one down on the bottom. And there we go. Just so you can still see the little bit of crumb cake on here, I'm just going to stick this thin layer of glue there. Probably should have put a paper down, but I didn't. Alright, oops. Doesn't matter if it goes over, it's fine. There we go. And the last corner piece. Put that one even. There we go. Right. So we just have a frame around the collar. I just wanted to do that. So, and then what I did was I just took this, oops, throwing my glue, getting it all over me, and just stuck some glue on the bottom. And I'm going to put it near the bottom, right? Oh, probably should have stuck that underneath too. Let's stick a little bit of glue on that quickly. Put it underneath like so. So it's on there. Okay. Now I already stamped this with the sentiment. And this one said, thankful for friends like you. And there's also these circular things. They're not pussy willows, so I don't really know what they are. Then there's the Happy Thanksgiving, which we're going to use on the next card. And grateful for family like you and enjoy. So I used thankful for friends like you on this one. So, and I want to put that up on dimensionals. So we'll pop a few dimensionals on here. Well, I'll put a couple for now. Let's see, 2 will probably do. There we go. And it's going to be in the center here, like so. Right. I have itchy hand. And then I'm just going to take a little bit glue and stick this underneath. I cut this out of one of the edges of the dies of this die. I used a punch, so with the leaf punch, so that's all that was. Stick that there. Yeah, stick it over. As long as we see some of the blue as well, we're good there. And then I took my little handy dandy bow maker. Oops, that's way too much. This ribbon is gorgeous. It ties so easily, pretty. Right, oops, forgot some scissors. So I will chop it about there. Put my little spool there. So what I did was I just tied me a little bow. And voila. And take that baby off. Squish it down. And I will take a glue dot and my little poker tool. And I will put it right up on this right here. And we'll just stick our little bow up there. So get it to sit straight. Now, there. Just a bit turned. All right, so we are, let me straighten that out, sorry, there. There we go. Now I can cut it up. And this one too, up there. So there's our wee bit. Oops, I didn't do that one very straight, did I? There. Okay, now you're good. So there's our card. Now let's stick a few little gold sequins on here, just for a little bling. Oops. Did you get it? Oh, I've got another one on my finger. Take that one, put it down here. There we go. So that's that card. So that was real easy, just using things from your kit. Now, if you don't have a leaf punch, you could use 2 of these, or you could use the Blackberry Bliss one. There's 2 different leaves in the kit. So, right, now let's try making this one real quick. So there's that one. Now, for this, you need a card and one of these leaves from the punch, and the small sentiment thing, 2 of these leaves from the punch. And I cut these out of the scraps of the circles, the big circle wreaths. These. I cut the sprigs and leaves out of those with the sprig punch and the leaf punch. It was in my last video. So I've got a couple of those that we're going to stick under. So, and that's it for this card. It's a real easy, quick card. So we're going to put Happy Thanksgiving on that. So we'll stamp it. Right. Hopefully get it in the middle. Sorry if my head is in the way. Hold it, let it adhere. There we go. Happy Thanksgiving. Oh, I forgot I need some baby wipes. Right. Oops. I wanted to show you something. Watch it not work, but it's been working for me so far. Right. So take your Stampin' Scrub and scrub your thing, right? Remember, when you use red pigment, any color dyes with red pigment, it stains your photopolymer stamps. But I wanted to show you something. I'm going to wipe this off again. See, look. I'm going to wipe it off. Right, put that up there for now. These are just regular water wipes. And where's my little thingy? Now Stampin' Up! Came out with the stamp cleaning pad, and it has the little refill thing. It looks disgusting, but I love it. Now, if you stamp on here, you sometimes can see it again, but I don't see it this time. But I want to show you, I'm going to use a clean piece, like this piece here, that it takes more off. Look at that. It took more off than what I cleaned with my stamp pad and this the first time. All right, let's try again. I just want to see how much more we can get off. So, you know, I have some really red stamps. They are, I mean, red. They're not pink, they are red. And if you get this stuff right away, it takes a lot of it off. So I think that's about all I'm getting off that stamp, because I didn't realize it and I have stained stamps. So, all right, let me try this one. I think I already got it. And I see some pink on it, but yeah. All right, I'm not going to waste any more time, but yes, it does take some more off. So this takes a lot of the excess off your stamps, and I like it. Doesn't look the prettiest, but it works really good. All right, so this card, we are just going to put our Happy Thanksgiving on dimensionals. And what did I do with my dimensionals? Oh, there they are, under the water wipes. So I'm going to just take two, stick them on here, pluck off the backs. There we go. And we're going to put that across the middle. You can put it on an angle if you like. I'm just doing it like so. And then I'm going to just stick all this underneath. I don't want to cover up too much of the pretty fall leaves. So I'm just going to do one corner. I was going to put some down here too, but I thought, no, let's just put a little bit up here. See if we can get some. No, I got, yeah, that'll do. Stick up there. Okay, now I want some of these ones. I should have put the little dimensional a little bit further over. Oh, that's good. All right, there's one. And two. It dries clear. You're good to go. And then we'll take a little striped one. Now, in my last video, I said I don't particularly care for these. They're growing on me. But I colored all these with the regular colors in the kit. I used my ink pads and just colored. So, okay, there's a blue one. That's good. Now we're going to take a bow again. So probably, about that much. It's a curly ribbon, but it's a nice thin ribbon, and it makes such pretty bows. Okay, see, I'm going to make this one longer. Tie it there and pull it straight before I even take it off. Should be good, should be good. Let's move that aside. We'll get a little blue dot and we'll put it at the bottom of our bow, our wreath right here. Just stick a little blue dot there. And we'll put a bow, fluff them little babies up, and see, cut, and cut. So there is our card. I didn't even fold it. I think it's so pretty. Just love it. Love the colors. Who would have thought that that looks like fall and pretty? Oh, I gotta fold this card. There we go. Burnish it really well. Put your bow down. Let's get some gold going on in here too. One there and one there. Okay, so there are both cards using the new add-on bundle for the paper pumpkin. Remember, you have to be a subscriber. So if you haven't purchased them, I think they're a brilliant buy. You cannot go wrong with these, and the envelopes are so gorgeous and they match. So have fun, and I hope you can create some. There is also pictures. No, not on that one. Let's see. Oh, it was on this one. There is some pictures here that you can emulate and make similar, and just have fun and mix them up, and just all the colors match, so you can't really go wrong. Just put things together. So thanks for watching. You all have a great evening. I will have these pictures and everything on my blog, and there isn't really any equipment, so tools that you would need separate than these, just this add-on bundle. So hopefully you are a Paper Pumpkin subscriber and you can order these before they're all gone, because while the supplies last is it. They will not have them listed anymore. And they're right as you go into the Stampin' Up! Website, and at the top it's got the Paper Pumpkin add-on bundle. So thanks for watching. You all have a great evening. Good night.